Hi everyone, today I will discuss about blockchain application and also implementation in biomedicine. The table of contents are first, cryptocurrency wallet, second, SHA-256 and mining, third, the characteristics of blockchain, fourth, smart contract, and finally, the applications in biomedical field. A crypto wallet is a software mobile app or physical device that allow the users to securely store, manage, and interact with their cryptocurrency holdings. A crypto wallet enables the users to send, receive, and monitor their cryptocurrencies, such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tether, and many more. The primary purpose of the crypto wallets is to store your private keys, which are like the password of your crypto wallet. These cryptographic keys allow you to access the wallet and, most importantly, sign the crypto transactions when you initiate a withdrawal. These keys must be kept secure at all times, as access to them grants control over the wallet and the stored cryptocurrencies. Each wallet also comes with a unique public address, also known as the crypto wallet address. The users can share this public address to receive crypto from other crypto wallets. Hot and cold wallets are different ways of storing and accessing your cryptocurrency. Both types of crypto wallets exhibit difference in functionality, security levels, accessibility, and pricing. Hot wallet is a type of crypto wallet that is always connected to the internet and allow you to store, send, and receive cryptocurrency. These are generally software crypto wallets such as desktop, web wallets, or mobile wallets, and are available free of cost. Hot wallets are more convenient and easy to use as they provide quick and easy access to your cryptocurrency. Hot wallets are more suitable for frequent use such as trading or daily payments. While hot wallets are more convenient, they are considered less secure than cold wallets because they are exposed to the online environment and the constant internet connections makes them potentially vulnerable to hacking and unauthorized access. It is advisable to use hot wallets for small amounts of cryptocurrency that you plan to use for trading or transactions and to keep larger amounts in the cold wallet. A cold wallet is a type of cryptocurrency wallet that stores the user private keys offline on a physical device. They are the safest crypto wallet, unlike hot wallets, which are connected to the internet. Cold wallets operate in an offline environment, providing enhanced security for storing and safeguarding cryptocurrencies. The private keys, which are essential for authorizing cryptocurrency transactions, are stored in these cold wallets. Since these hardware wallets are not connected to the internet, when not in use, reducing the risk of hacking and unauthorized access. This offline storage adds an extra layer of protection for the user private keys. Secure hash algorithm 256, also known as SHA-256, is a cryptographic hash function that converts text of any length to an almost unique alphanumeric string of 256 bits. The output is known as a hash value of hash or hash. SHA-256 is used for cryptographic security, and this hashing algorithm is considered extremely secure as it produces hash values that are irreversible and unique. SHA-256 was developed by the US government National Security Agency, and SHA-256 belongs to the SHA-2 family of hash functions, which have become popular following the NSA's recommendation to US federal agencies to transition away from its predecessor, SHA-1, after discovering vulnerabilities in the hash function. The US government and a multitude of widely used encryption protocols use cryptographic hash functions like SHA-256 to protect sensitive information. The key characteristics that enable SHA-256 to fulfill its purpose are its uniqueness. When the SHA-256 hash function is used, distinct inputs will always produce unique hash values. Even a small variation in the input will result in a vastly different hash value. This is known as the avalanche effect. Furthermore, the hash value will always be 256 bits long, no matter the size of the input. Here is an example of SHA-256 implementation. The hash value of similar inputs results in vastly differing hash values, while a single character input produces the same length of the hash values as an 8-character length input. POW blockchains like Bitcoin use the SHA-256 hashing algorithm to keep the blockchain secure against attacks, verify transactions, and also create new blocks. SHA-256 hash function enable POW mining. A block hash is created every time a new block is added to the POW blockchain. To create the hash of a new block, a miner must add a random string of numbers called the nonce to the information from the previous block and put it through the SHA-256 algorithm. The only way to do this is to guess and check the enormous computational energy required to guess the correct strings of numbers to return the right SHA-256 hash values ensures that the blockchain is secure against attack. At the time of writing, there were 3 blockchains in the top 100 most valuable blockchains in the world using SHA-256 algorithm. Bitcoin was the most valuable blockchain in the world with a market cap of over 500 billion as of late July 2023. Crypto mining is a process blockchain networks like Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies used to finalize transactions. It's called mining because this process also releases new coins into circulation. Put simply, crypto mining is really just guesswork with a monetary incentive, aka proof of work. But you need a lot of computing power to do it. How is proof of stake different from proof of work? Both consensus mechanisms help blockchains synchronize data, validate information, and process transactions. Each method has proven successful at maintaining a blockchain, although each has pros and cons. However, the two algorithms have very different approach. Under POS, block creators are called validators. A validator checks transactions, verifies activity, votes on outcomes, and maintains records. Under POW, block creators are called miners. Miners work to solve for the hash, a cryptographic number, to verify transactions. In return for solving the hash, they are rewarded with a coin. To buy into the position of becoming a block creator, you need to own enough coins or tokens to become a validator on a POS blockchain. For POW, miners must invest in processing equipment and incur hefty energy charges to power the machines attempting to solve the computations. The equipment and energy costs under POW mechanisms are expensive, limiting access to mining and strengthening the security of the blockchain. POS blockchains reduce the amount of processing power needed to validate block information and transactions. The mechanisms also lowers network congestions and removes the reward-based incentive POW blockchains have. Now we'll be moving into the characteristics of blockchain. Blockchain technology is a decentralized system, which means that there is no central authority controlling the network. Instead, the network is made out of a large number of nodes that work together to verify and validate transactions. Each and every node in the blockchain network will have the same copy of the ledger. Immutability means that the blockchain is a permanent and unalterable network. Blockchain technology functions to a collection of nodes. Once a transaction is recorded on the blockchain, it cannot be modified or deleted. This makes the blockchain immutable and tamper-proof ledger that provides a high degree of security and trust. While transactions are transparent, participants are often represented by cryptographic address rather than personal information. This provides a level of privacy for the users. Also, all network participants have a copy of the ledger for complete transparency. A public ledger will provide complete information about all the participants on the network and transactions. The distribute computational power across the computers ensures a better outcome. This network. There are several steps to make a smart contract. First, we go to the Remix website, then we click on the contract folder, add a new file, and then here we name the smart contract hello. Next, it will depend on the functions we want to use. Then we will insert the smart contract code. After inserting the code, click the compiler on the left and then compile the written smart contract. After compilation is complete, you can enter the following page and prepare for the contract deployment. First, we need to connect our wallet with the website because deploying and executing contracts requires payment. You can click deploy to deploy the contract. After deployment is complete, you can find the contract just now below. Enter the contract content and information, and after input is complete, then the execution of the contract can be completed. We can view the contract information on Etherscan. We can view information such as the account where the contract is deployed and other information. Now I'm going to give several examples on how blockchain can have an impact on the field of biomedical. The first is health data management. Blockchain can enable secure and decentralized management of health data, including electronic health recorders, medical imaging data, genomic data, and wearable device data. Patients can have more control over their health information and grant permission to healthcare providers or researchers to access specific data, ensuring privacy and confidentiality. The second is the clinical trials and research. Blockchain can streamline the process of conducting clinical trials by managing research data by providing transparency, immutability, and traceability of trial data. Smart contracts can automate processes such as participant recruitment, informed consent, data collection, and payments, enhancing efficiency and reducing administrative overhead. The third one is supply chain management. Blockchain can be used to track and trace pharmaceuticals, medical devices, or other healthcare products throughout the supply chain, ensuring the product authenticity, preventing counterfeit drugs, and improving drug safety and quality control. And finally, healthcare payments and billing. Blockchain-based smart contracts can automate and streamline healthcare payments and billing process, reducing frauds, errors, and administrative costs associated with traditional payment systems. That's it for now. Thank you for listening.